Hi there and welcome to Altora. This is part of the Getting Started series. In this video, I'll show users how to invite other administrators to the Altora platform. You've learned a lot in this series already, and you should be familiar with how Altora works. This is a great time to start guiding other administrators on how to use the system, but first you should invite them as administrators so they can access Altora. We recommend having a think about who needs administrator access to Altora, and mapping out what they'll need to be able to do. These are some questions you will get asked when you invite administrators. Do you want them to manage end users? If so, do they need full reign of end user accounts for adding, editing and deleting them, or maybe just adding and editing but not deleting? Would you like them to have access to settings, where they can manage the core aspects of the platform including tasks and programs? Would you like them to be able to manage other administrators as well? Do you want them to have access to the course editor to create and edit slides? Do you want them to be able to approve document tasks when users submit them? After asking these questions, you now have an idea of what kind of administrators you need, and we can start to invite them. For this, we'll go to Settings and press on the Administrators tab. We'll see this button here to invite new admin. Pressing that, we'll have to fill out some basic info. The email address and the first and last name of the admin is required. After this, the system permissions are the same questions I just went over before. Here are some examples that may make the process easier. If you want them to have access to everything, which is what we call a super admin, then they will need full access for everything. This might be useful if you need help managing the platform overall. If you want an admin to only be able to approve or decline tasks submitted for approval, hide everything except tasks. If you want an admin to only be able to work on the course content, hide everything except the course editor. One extra thing to note is for those who have multiple course matrices. If you have more than one, you can set up certain admins to only be able to see the courses in specific matrices. This is useful, for example, if you have business divisions and one admin of a certain business division only needs to see the courses for their business division. When you're happy with what you've entered, press Invite Admin. They will get sent an email for them to access their account. So in this video, we've learned how to invite other administrators to the Altora system so they can manage the platform with you. Please check out our knowledge base for further guides on this. Thank you for taking the time to watch this series, and I'll see you in the next video.